Come on, there is no opening, right? That's the trick. I'm just supposed to EVA this shit. Just jump out, grapple hook it on there. Where the fuck? Oh, God. Beginning to see why you have 10 minutes to land. There. God. Counterclockwise, counterclockwise. Oh, shit. Do you mind? It's not really this hard. I promise.
Scan detected.
No, I'm not drunk. Okay.
Landing gear deployed. Docking successful.
Like a glove. And now, our first new ship. Yes. It's an upgraded Sidewinder. It's a slightly more cargo-heavy version of a general purpose vessel, but it has a medium hard point. On an $87,000 ship, it has a medium hard point. Yes. How much money will I have left over? Buy new ship and sell. Part exchange. So I'd have 111? Why not? Kinda wish it showed you getting in. Come on, let's have a look at you. There she is. Cool in a submarine SUV kind of way. What do we have? have 9. Cargo rack. 6. Empty compartment. I don't suppose any of the... No, of course not. What can go here? Torpedo. Ooh. I'm only going to find this out the hard way, but I do wonder whether or not you can use more than one mining laser at a time and whether or not that actually matters. How much are these? Oh god, this is going to be an expensive lesson. Alright. Class D mining laser. Medium mount. That's kind of cool. I'll be honest. And now... No, no, no. Is this where the refinery is? Yes. 1. Even I know enough about mining to not want 1 bin. Come on, it gotta be a 2 for 12. What about for 3? And we're back to... What the shit? Power draw 1.180. D1. What are these then? E1. E1, 1 bin. E2. Oh, it's the class that determines the bin. Then what the hell's in the rest of it? Class 1. Three bins, that's only 37 grand. Sure. Now then, capacity rack 2. Really, there's... Huh. So in this whole place, there's a single 2 cargo rack improvement. I've got to go somewhere else for that. Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is the shield worth another 2 though? And for that matter, why are you saying 8? Four, 5, 6. Oh, I was reading the tank fuel. You can upgrade fuel tanks now? Isn't that new? Huh. And that's apparently the best one? Oh! They start you with the best one. And then if you need less mass, you can downgrade. Hmm. Eh. 10 minutes is good. And last but not least, everything else stock. A2 power distributor. It's like a 93 Honda Buick with three $9,000 spinners on it.